Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can use this galaxy light on the ceiling. To be precise, the star maker projecting lamp. If you have kids in your house, not even kids, for anyone who is interested to make your ceiling at night more beautiful with this shining stars on the ceiling, this would be one of the nice gadget to have, and that too this is just 300 rupees. So once you open the box, you will have that lamp and the instruction. This is the instruction manual how you can use it with the USB connection of the laptop, or you can use it with the battery cells. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use it with the battery cells. If you comment, like if you want to know how you can use it with the laptop, please do comment, so that I'll be making another video with how you can use this galaxy starlight lamp with the laptop in the next video. So for now, at the back side you need to unscrew this one and open this cap, and you need to insert four AA batteries, which is a big batteries, 1.5 volt. Okay, 4. Just insert. Is it AA or AAA batteries? Sorry, not the bigger ones, the smaller ones. 4 batteries, AAA batteries. And this is how it looks. Means there are buttons at the bottom. I'll be showing you clearly, but this is when the lights on. Now what I'll do is I'll be just switching off the lights in the room, and I'll be showing you the ceiling effect also. And this can rotate. There is another option. If you press that button, this will also rotate, and this will shift to different colors as you're seeing. See, ABC is there, right? B, the letter B button is for turning on. See, just now it's turned on, and C is for rotating. Okay, now just try to switch off the light once, so that you will see the actual effect. Yes, this is when the lights are turned off. Okay, I'll be showing you the ceiling effect also. As I'm recording, this is not able to. Sorry, one more thing, you need to remove the cap, then only you can see the effect on the ceiling. Okay, I just forgot to remove the cap. Yes, this is in the rotation mode. Even you can off the rotation with pressing the button, C button actually. Okay, when you press A, the lights or the designs will get changed. In this way, this would be very good gadget to have under 300 rupees. Anyway, I'll be trying to attach this product. If you want for more details, you can just check for the more details. And I really felt this would be one of the best gifting choice for the kids under the ages like 8 years or even 10 years below. One of the good gifting choice under the budget. Please do share your opinion. What would be your opinions on this product? And in the upcoming video, I'll be testing with the laptop USB charger. If you want that, please do comment, so that immediately I'll be recording the video for that. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.